So today I took out a loan and bought this car. Hello. You guys probably noticed that I haven't been really active on YouTube lately. I've been pretty busy with a couple things and I thought I'd let you guys know what I'm up to. Right now I'm back in Georgia. I have a couple jobs coming up with my video production company. I'm working at a metal shop and I'm helping my dad's company with their podcast. So that hasn't left a lot of time for making videos, and I also play a lot of Fortnite. But I bought this van. It's a Ford Transit Connect 2013, and I'm going to be rebuilding it and doing the trendy thing of living in a car. I've been rebuilding it, and I'm not going to make a video series on my build, just because I know I'm going to do a lot of things wrong, and I feel like just learning them and not having comments of people telling me how to do it 3 years later. So I'll probably make a video when it's finished, but right now all that I've done so far is I pulled all this stuff out. I insulated the floor. I used like a 1-inch foam insulation from Home Depot. It's this stuff that's in these 2 window holes. And then I've also put in wiring for everything. I'm going to have a bunch of plugs for charging things. I'm going to have this humongous fan, which I'm going to put in today. And then I'm also going to have probably a water pump and let's see what else, lights, just like not very much stuff, but yeah, had to run cords for all that. Basically the plan of the layout is going to be, this platform's like 6.5 feet, and I'm going to have a bed on this side, which will take up a little more than 1/3, and then about 1/3 over here, going back to the door, will be storage that goes all the way to the top. And in the middle here, I'll make it so that the bed will extend, but if I want to, I can close it up and have like a seat with like a desk area if I want to edit videos in here. That desk storage place will come to here, and there will be, this is probably kind of hard to see with this, it'll come to like right there, and then there'll be an opening of like a little bit of space you can go in, and this side will have like a 1-foot cabinet that's the same height as the bed, so the bed will connect in an L, and there'll be storage for like dirty clothes, stuff like that, shoes, things that I'll use when I get in and out. And then I left this open because I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do at the bottom, but I'm going to put something there, probably plastic, and that's where my battery's going to sit, and it's going to sit down inside, and there'll still be the 1 foot tall or 1 foot wide by however tall the bed is, place where I can put like an inverter if I want to do that, and also like a solar charge controller, that kind of thing. And up above the cab, they have this little storage that comes with transit vans. I'm just going to extend it all the way out to right there, so that's where all my clothes and like tents will go. And yeah, that's what I've been up to. Also, the only experience that I have with this kind of stuff is I went to school to be a piano technician, and I rebuilt an old piano that was like horrible, and so I have like a little bit of woodworking and I guess figuring it out skills from that, but other than that I've never done anything like this. I'm gonna put the fan right here, kind of on a, not in the center, because I want to be able to, this fan sticks up kind of a lot, like 8 inches or something. So I'm going to put the fan here, kind of not in the middle, off to the side. I want to be able to still make use of these roof racks. If I wanted to put something on this side of the van, I could still do that. You ready? Did I hit the bucket? Oh man, this died.
That hole is like right there. If you do it a little bit more, the little thing will come off. Hello. Do you want me to film you poking through the hole?
There's the hole right there. I'm gonna install it with some putty tape and this stuff. It's the what everyone recommends on Amazon. And there we go. It's in. This is gonna be covered up by insulation and then a roof, and then it's gonna have like a trim, so it'll look a lot nicer than that on the inside. There we go. Do you think it'll leak? I did one of those Q&A things that are on Instagram stories, and I got a lot of questions from it. Someone asked, all-wheel drive, how does it handle? No, it's not all-wheel drive, and it handles like a minivan. It's very slow on acceleration, and it sounds like it has trouble when I'm like going from stopped onto a highway. Drew asked, are you planning on installing solar? And if so, could you share what your setup's gonna be? I am going to install solar panels. I don't know if I'll do it right away or in a while, so I have no idea what panels I'm gonna be using. I think I only have space for a smaller panel, maybe like one 100 watt panel. David asked me if I'm planning on adding a sink or a shower or a bucket toilet or solar. I will probably put in a little sink, maybe. I've seen a lot of people make sinks out of like little metal salad bowls. I would just want like a little tiny one that I could brush my teeth, or so that I wouldn't have to like get out of the van to brush my teeth if I'm like sleeping at a Walmart. But it's gonna be small and like not convenient, but it'll be better than nothing. And no toilet or shower head. As you can tell, like this is super tiny, and even adding like a water pump and a sink is kind of like taking up space to store my living stuff and my backpacking gear, so we'll see how it goes. We'll see if it works out. Ross says, where are you going in it? Anywhere. I'll probably spend the winter in Colorado or Utah, somewhere out there. Kotezi asks, how much did it cost? The van was $12,500, and then I think restoring it will probably be around $2,000, maybe $3,000. I don't know. I'm keeping track of everything that I spend money on, so I'll be able to say at least the initial build what it cost. And yeah, I had to take out a loan for that, so I'll be paying this car off for years and years and years. How much experience do you have with carpentry, etc.? I think I said this just a little bit ago in the video. Just that piano that I rebuilt, that's basically it. Gareth asks, how was the gas mileage? That's one of the reasons I wanted to get this van. It's small, but it's big enough to live in, but the gas mileage is good, anywhere from 27 to 29 on the highway, so that's really good compared to my last car. Putt would get like 18 on a good day, so it's gonna save me a lot of money in gas. Kyle says the cargo area is pretty small. He's interested to see how I build out the interior. Well, stay tuned. You'll see it. Clinton says, are you planning on living in it full time? Yes, kind of. I'm planning on having the option to live in it full time. I want it to be something that I can use, like I said before, so say someone's going out and doing something on a trail pretty cool, like a speed record or a new trail, and I want to help capture that for them, so I would be able to drive ahead and meet them and focus more on filming. Yeah, have a place that I could base camp, edit videos, that kind of thing. So yes, but I'm also open to like renting a place if I need to, because I can't power with the power setup I'm going to have in here, I won't be able to run my editing PC. I'll be able to run my laptop, which I can edit some stuff, but like if I film 4K footage with this camera, then my laptop really struggles, and rendering can take like up to 10 hours for like a 4 to 5 minute video, and the same video on my editing PC will take like 6 to 12 minutes. So yeah, I'll have to have a place when I work on bigger video projects that I can use that computer, whether it's like an office space or like a friend's house, or I don't know, storage unit with power. Sparkle Motion asks if I'm doing all the work myself. I think so, probably. How many miles are on it? I think 73,000. Luke asks, does she whip? No, it would probably roll over. And Jake said that it's quite the upgrade from my Volvo sleeping setup, which I'm assuming he's talking about putt-putt, and yes, it is. Even without anything built in there, it is. I have a lot more to do in this van, but yeah, like I said, I'm not going to make a video series on it. There's plenty of other ones you can watch. But hopefully once I finish it, I will be living in the mountains a lot more, making a lot of cool videos and making videos about people that are doing cool things. Having a place like this will definitely allow me to not have as many excuses to do those kind of things. So I'm pretty excited for that. If you want to like follow along with the build in the next like 2 months, I'm posting like a couple photos and videos on my story on Instagram, so you can head over there. But other than that, I'm not posting very much on it.